We came to the skate park to tear it up with the Rustler, Slash, and Erevo. My dad's getting that ready. He has to update it. Aiden already ramped his Slash over that jump. It's a pretty nice skate park. I mean, I tried it. Works good. Right now we're running a 3S in the Rustler, 2S and Slash, and like always, 6S and the Erevo. So let's get to it, guys.
Did you get that? I gotta get out of here. Guys, we put the Traxxas link on the controller. Got it hooked up. We got it hooked up to an iPhone. It's pretty cool. You go to the dashboard, you got profile, select models, training mode, support, drive effects, garage, media. You could record your stuff. You go to dashboard, it's really cool because it shows your RPMs, your mile per hour, your batteries, your temperature, your top speed. You can record it. So right now, we're gonna see what the Erevo running on 6S will do for top speed. All right, let's see what we got. We're in a gravel parking lot. Get some good traction. All right. So we got a top speed. We got a top speed of 50 miles an hour. Set on here, we're gonna hold it, we're gonna run it full throttle back and see what we could do. Oh man, that was an epic crash. Speed. I think what we're gonna have to do I think we're going faster than that. We're running at 92 degrees temperature right now. Our battery's running down 23.1. I'm gonna see if I can modify this. Okay, so change display, set warning level. We're gonna go and let's see if we could up this mile per hour. I'm not sure. It looks like it only goes to 50 miles an hour, guys. I'm not sure. I updated it. There were a couple updates. It doesn't look like it wants to go any more than that.
But do the big ones by me. Look how far my truck is.
Looking like all through. Oh, edit gauge. Yeah. Guys, it's not letting us go above 50 miles an hour. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to check it out. But we did hit 50 miles an hour running on 6 axles. Got power with that light bulb. Oh. All right, guys, we got I think we blew the back shocks out of the Erevo here. It's sitting real low in the back. Not good. Definitely got some carnage. Let's see what's going on in this thing. Pull this thing apart. Like I said before, I think we blew the top of the shock off here in the skate park jumping it. Definitely did something else now. It's just sitting super low back here. I'm not sure what the reason is. Let's see if, I don't know if you can see that broken shock mount there. Really hard to get in there and show it to you. Oh yeah, there's probably a good shot right there, no? Right there, good shot. Broken shock mount. So we're gonna have to get some parts for this bad boy and rip it up again. It's all about Sunday fun day, guys, you know what I mean? Going out, having some family fun, bashing and crashing. Rustler's running a 3S. Slash is running a 2S today. Moving quite well.